Goodbye. I hope you catch a crab.
Good luck.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, we're walking around like, hey man, shoes. I got my chains. I got my cars, and all of a sudden. $20. I'm telling you, that's a social commentary on fishermen these days and crabbers.
Go catch a polychaete.
It's Worm City.
There's a lot of worms.
Where are the worms?
Look at that one.
Snap too early. You just gotta pull it up instantly. Yeah. No. Pull it up before you let it get too low, or it'll just snap on. Yeah.
But I think if you pull it up, does it open a bit or no?
No. Slow and steady does the trick.
Wait, that's just a worm.
Yeah, it's a.
I don't like that.
I hate that.
That's a gnarly worm, man.
Yeah, I think it's a polychaete.
This is gonna
That's cool.
taste so bad.
That's
Do you know why worms are called bobbits?
It's because of the bitch you cut off.
the couple.
Yeah.
Cut off his
Well,
dong.
he like abused her and then she cut off his dong.
He probably had it coming.
He did have it coming.
I don't know the whole story.
I think
All I
I'm
know is that someone.
I'm pretty sure he did have it coming.
Just walk down like there's a crab crawling along here. Oh, it's got a lock on it.
No, it's like.
But that's just like garbage right there.
There's a whole cabin in there. Lots of goodies. It's not locked.
I know that if Jacob was here, this is the kind of
Like-
thing he would be really against.
Oh yeah, he would not want to do this. I feel like I'm gonna get fucking tetanus. I don't have a tetanus shot, but it's not that wet.
Oh, yo, this is like
This is you fucking blanket there. Yeah. This is kind of cool.
Guys, something changed with the toilet, Jacob says.
Something changed about the toilet. It's overflowing. We get. Do you guys want to take this fridge?
There's water in here.
You want to take
I
the
like-
fridge?
Yeah.
I feel like there's not much goodies.
No. There's a fridge.
See if there's knives or
There's a footprint on the fridge, but.
There's a.
Ronan, see that door?
Oh no, the fridge is wet. It's no good.
Store? It'd be kind of fun to have.
I want to explore the bedroom.
Yeah, watch out though, because this is a lot of glass and stuff. I don't know if it's broken or not. It would be shitty to get a big cut.
There's a blender.
What's that noise?
It's an air mattress.
You see the keyboard on the ground?
Hang on, I don't see it.
It's by Liam.
Oh, there's so much bedding in there.
Here. Oh shit. Yeah, I got the cable.
Did you get the cable or did you get what's left of it?
No, I got it.
Okay.
It's just some randos.
Excuse me, sorry.
Leo's walking over.
You're gonna steal your car.
Leo's gonna go say hi to him.
Like center, like.
That's mine. Oh. Did that for fun. You guys are animals.
Shut the fuck up.
I wish you were all dead. Actually, I take it back. I wish they were all alive.